Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're looking at these hyper tough scanners. This is the HT100 OBD2 scanner. Reads basic vehicle trouble codes paired with Repair Solutions 2 app. 1984 actually. I don't know why it's 1984, but leave a comment in the comments section. Like normally it's 1999, like 1984. Kind of weird prices, but whatever. 1 year limited warranty. And I don't know why it's Bluetooth capable since it's a plug-in, but maybe it is just both Bluetooth capable and a plug-in. I'm not quite sure. But engine checks, like this is like the I wouldn't say like the lowest level. It's just like the lowest level they got. So hey, I've done a ton of videos on these samples and stuff like that. Samples, review videos. You guys got a comment on this, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys think of this. Obviously, this is a simple OBD2 scanner, retrieves generic codes, reads and clears check engine light, displays code priority, IM readiness, doesn't have all this stuff. But if you guys have this and it works for you, leave a comment in the comments section. Obviously this is in a box. The one that I had was I wouldn't say it was an older model, but the display packaging was in a plastic container. I think when you get these out of a box, there's like, I don't know, there's like, I had so much trouble reading this, but some people in the comments section told me that, you know, this was a decent scanner. This worked out for them. Some people said it was awful. I did test this out, and it was like the display was like, all the readings were like so small, as you guys can see. I don't know what all these readings on top is. The ones on the bottom is okay, but there's like so much stuff stored in one little space. It's kind of weird. But it is 1984. You're not gonna find a scanner that's lower priced than this like anywhere. Harbor Freight, obviously not any of the auto shops. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anyway, hey, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, you know, definitely like check it out. You know, if you guys like the scanner, leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys think the scanner is awful, me personally, when I actually did a video on this, you guys want to check out the video, did an absolute full review on it. Check out the video, because I just had a hard time reading the display. It was just everything was just so small. But if you're impatient and you actually need an OBD2 scanner, like pick this one up. This is the cheapest you can find. Or you guys can get one from Amazon, eBay. There's probably ones that are absolutely better than this, but for $20, if you're an impatient person, I don't think you can go wrong with this. Obviously the screen isn't the best, but yeah, you know what, funny enough, I think this is off of some other brand, Nova or something like that. I think they just paired up. But leave a comment, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.